Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best framing nailers that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Freeman PFR2190 Pneumatic 21° 3-1/2 framing nailer. Since childhood, I have seen and used many framing nailing guns from the Freeman brand. A gun that I've recently grown fond of is the PFR2190 21° nailer. I like the full head that makes inserting nails easier and safer. It's also straightforward to adjust to accommodate different nail sizes and to suit varied projects. In addition to nailing frames, I've also used this accessory to install siding, wall sheathing, pallet building, subfloors, fencing, as well as for wood box assembly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hitachi NR90AES 3-1/2-inch full head framing strip. I won't miss my words saying that the NR90AES is one of the best framing nailers on the market. If you know nailers well, you will agree with me that the Hitachi brand is king. This unit is my favorite from the manufacturer, and what I like most about it is the ergonomic design that makes handling pretty easy. All it takes to transition from contact to sequential nailing is the simple flip of a switch. This nailer can take a lot of punishment without the performance degrading thanks to the good quality. At number 3, we have the NuMax SFN64 Pneumatic 16-gauge 2-1/2 straight finish nailer. This happens to be my partner's favorite piece. Occasionally, you will find me using it when my Freeman PFR2190 is not within reach. Though it may look smaller than other options, it packs quite a punch. It can easily deliver nails as long as 2.5 inches with ease. It also doesn't get jammed easily, and in case it does, all you do is rely on the effective quick jam release. It's a good choice for both interior and exterior, and is fit for finishing, cabinet work, crown molding, furniture, window casing, baseboards, and chair rail molding. At number 2, we have the Hitachi NT65MA41 -1/4 inch to 2-1/2 inch 15-gauge angled finish nailer. I haven't used this nailer from Hitachi many times, but the few times I've used it have justified it being on this review. It has one of the simplest and easiest mechanism for clearing nail jams, and quickest transitions from contact to sequential nailing. I like the tool-less nature and simple flip switch that save time and effort. The NT65MA4 also scores highly for ergonomics, fast operation, and noise level. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt Brad Nailer Kit. It's effortless to come across the DWFP12231. It's loved by both beginners and seasoned woodworkers, carpenters, hobbyists and other people. The simple-looking pneumatic baler can easily drive 2-inch long nails and will keep up with this performance even under demanding situations. The trigger has a good response and leads to flawless finish or framing. And thanks to the maintenance-free motor, you will spend lesser time servicing the unit.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.